Hello, my name is Dee. I'm gonna try to sing this song because this song was on my mind, so I wanted to sing it. I sing because I'm happy. I sing because I'm free. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know He watches over me. I should I feel discouraged? Why do the shadows fall? Why should my heart be lonely when Jesus is my choice? Yes, Jesus is my portion, a constant friend is He. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know, yes, I know He watches over me, and I sing because I'm happy. Yes, I sing because I'm free. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know He shines over me. Thank you, Jesus. I hope you like it. God bless.